These paddy sheaf bundles are gifted to me by a farmer friend. I hung them on a terrace with lot of excitement and it attracted these beautiful parrots. They ate, chirped, spread joy, and changed the vibe. Gifting these paddy sheaves bundles to temples from the newly harvested paddy is an age old tradition. Rice flour columns, hanging paddy sheaves bundles, cleaning worshipping cattle during the upcoming Pongal are all a part of beautiful tradition which honors life in all forms. Birds, the beautiful winged beauties fascinates me always.